What?
I'm so glad.
You're so glad?
Yeah, because I'm packaging.
A package cake? Are you sure it's for you?
Yeah, because that's my name on there. See? Josph.
Josph. Oh, it does say your name. Okay, you ready? Show Auntie your new haircut. Oh, yes, we just got our haircut. Okay, let me do it with the knife. Okay, we'll put this on pause. Okay, go. Are you excited? What could it be?
That's one.
What is it?
Look at all these glow sticks.
Yeah.
Look at all of them.
Now, what's this?
Look at.
Awesome.
Look at all. No, you have to take the camera out.
No, I'm looking at him.
Look at it. Look at here. Awesome.
What is it?
A heart.
Cool. It blinks all kinds of colors. That's pretty cool.
Now what's this? Let's unzip this. Oh, there's a zipper. Holy Jesus! Look,
Joseph.
it's from Josie's house.
No, Auntie sent you those. Those used to be Zachary's and Alexis's.
But now they're mine.
Yeah, they gave them to you. Oh, that's for Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you missed the big thing. What big thing did you take out of the box that you didn't see yet? You missed it. Nope, it's right here.
Oh.
Turn this over. What is that?
The Redskins jacket!
Yeah. Let's sing the song for him. Hail to the Redskins! Hail victory! Fight for... Oh, ready?
The
Indians! Fight for you and me! All right, good one. We'll say goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look at all these glow sticks.
Yeah, they're so exciting. Remember, you're gonna share with Josie at Josie's house those, right?
I got a lot to share to the kids.
Yeah, they'll really be happy.
Tomorrow I'll get these.
No, when we go to Josie's on Monday.
Yeah.